A challenge coin is a small, custom-designed coin or medallion that represents a group, mission, event, or achievement. They're often carried, displayed, collected, or presented as a badge of honor. Challenge coins are best known for their military roots. For decades, they've been used to build unit pride, recognize excellence, and strengthen morale. The challenge part comes from a popular tradition in local bars called the coin check. Starting out during the Vietnam War, this tradition occurred when someone yelled out "coin check" and all military members responded by placing their coin on the bar. The last one to present their coin or the one who is without theirs has to buy the round for the whole group. If everyone has one, then the person who initiated the challenge has the tab. To this day, challenge coins still carry that same meaning. They represent service, respect, loyalty, camaraderie, and a shared connection to something. Challenge coins can be used in so many different ways, but what makes them special is how you customize them. It all starts by choosing the shape, color, and size of your coins. But to make them even more special, you can add on upgrades like 3D, translucent, or even make your coin dual-plated. Challenge coins aren't just a military tradition. Police and fire departments use them to honor years of service, retirements, acts of bravery, and moments that deserve to be remembered. Businesses create them to celebrate company milestones, recognize top performers, strengthen their brand, and build team pride. To create your own coins, simply send us your ideas through our free quote form. Our team will create a digital proof and guide you through revisions before production begins. Before you know it, your custom challenge coins will arrive right at your doorstep. At All About Challenge Coins, real people are here to make your challenge coin idea into a reality with free design help, fast production, and free shipping. We make creating custom challenge coins easy and stress-free. Start your custom challenge coin project today. It's free and our team is here to help.